Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to tell you all about the coolest, most comfortable pillow you're ever gonna have. This pillow really is so versatile. I've used it in my bedroom, on my bed, or on my couch just to take a nap, and it's comfortable in every position that I want it to be in. I love that it can support your neck and your shoulders and take away some pain that you might be feeling. I also love that you can just sit on the couch and flip through your phone, and it's got these little legs on it that are either going to support your head if you need neck support, whether you're on a plane or on a car ride. This thing is really going to help out in that. And I also love that you can just lean against it and flip through your phone or flip channels. That's just lovely. It's very soft. I love that it's made of memory foam, and it's small enough to fit wherever you want it, but it's big enough to use. I wanted to show you the inside of it here. You can take all of this stuff out, and you can see how squishy it is and how soft it is, and you can wash the outside of it, so that's really nice too. This thing is very well made. Here's an example of just how squishy and fluffy all of the inside stuff is. I love how soft and durable this is. I've put this thing through the ringer. I've got kids and pets, and this shows no signs of giving up on me. It's gonna last me forever. I love that. It's gonna cause some fights in your family, I promise. Everybody's gonna want to use it. So I just love this pillow. I think it's the best one that I have in the house. It's so soft and comfortable. But that's just my point of view.